How to connect iPhone to laptop? Let's jump right into the steps. First off, what you need to do is you want to connect your iPhone to laptop with your data cable. You have to make sure that data cable is working properly. And what you need to do next on your phone is you want to go ahead and open settings on your phone. Then you want to scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Then you want to tap on auto lock and then you want to select never. By doing this while transferring any files and folders, you will not be interrupted by locking the screen. After that, when you connect your phone to laptop with data cable, you need to allow and trust the device that you're connected to. After that, when you go to My PC on laptop, you'll see Apple, which refers to your phone. Then what you want to do is you want to open it up and transfer the file from your phone to laptop or laptop to your phone. And that is simply how you can connect your phone to laptop. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.